Bonsai is the ancient and intricate art of growing miniature trees originating from China and later refined in Japan. This practice has been cherished for centuries. It's about creating a perfect, tiny version of nature, capturing the essence of a full-sized tree in a small pot. Each bonsai tells a story of patience, care, and artistic vision. Bonsai trees are not just plants, they are living sculptures that require dedication and creativity. Bonsai gardening is a meditative practice that brings a sense of calm and relaxation. It connects you with nature on a deeper level, allowing you to appreciate the intricate details and beauty of the natural world. It teaches patience and appreciation for the beauty around us, reminding us to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Even indoors, a bonsai tree can bring a sense of peace and tranquility, transforming any space into a serene retreat. Bonsai trees are not difficult to care for if you understand their needs. Regular watering, pruning, and attention to detail are key. With the right knowledge and a bit of practice, anyone can enjoy this ancient art form. Workshops and books can provide valuable insights and techniques. It's about understanding the tree's needs and responding with care, fostering a relationship that grows and evolves over time.
Choosing your first bonsai can be exciting. It's a journey that connects you with nature and brings a sense of tranquility to your space. There are many types to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and care requirements. Some good choices for beginners include ficus, which is known for its resilience and adaptability, Chinese elm, which has beautiful small leaves and a graceful form, and juniper, which is hardy and can be shaped easily. These trees are quite hardy and can withstand a variety of conditions, making them ideal for those new to bonsai. When selecting a tree, look for a healthy one. This means checking the overall appearance of the tree. The leaves should be a vibrant green color, indicating that the tree is well nourished and thriving. Check for any signs of pests or diseases. Healthy leaves should be free from spots, holes, or discoloration. It's best to choose a tree that is already in its bonsai form. This will give you a head start in your bonsai journey. Don't be afraid to ask for advice at the garden center. The staff are usually very knowledgeable and can offer valuable tips. They can guide you towards a tree that suits your environment, whether you plan to keep it indoors or outdoors, and help you understand its specific care needs.
Pruning is essential for bonsai. It helps maintain the tree's shape and size. There are two types of pruning: maintenance pruning and structural pruning. Maintenance pruning involves trimming back new growth. This keeps the bonsai compact. Structural pruning shapes the tree's overall form. It's best to do structural pruning during the dormant season. Always use sharp, clean tools. Make precise cuts just above a leaf node. This encourages new growth.
Bonsai trees need specific care to thrive. They need well-draining soil. Water your bonsai when the soil surface feels dry. Don't let the soil completely dry out. Bonsai trees need sunlight. Place your bonsai in a bright spot. Indoor bonsai may need additional light. Rotate the tree regularly so all sides get light. Fertilize your bonsai regularly, especially during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer specifically designed for bonsai trees.
Bonsai gardening is a journey of learning and patience. It requires dedication, attention to detail, and a willingness to embrace the slow, steady progress that comes with nurturing these miniature trees. Each step you take, from selecting the right species to shaping and pruning, is a lesson in itself. It's about connecting with nature on a miniature scale. The beauty of bonsai lies in its ability to capture the essence of a full-size tree in a small, manageable form. This connection to nature can be incredibly grounding and therapeutic. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each error is an opportunity to learn and grow both for you and your bonsai. The process of trial and error is essential in developing your skills and understanding the needs of your tree. Every bonsai enthusiast has been a beginner at some point. Joining a community or taking classes can provide valuable insights and support. Sharing experiences with fellow enthusiasts can enhance your journey and make it more enjoyable. Enjoy the process of watching your bonsai grow and change. The transformation over time is a testament to your care and dedication. Celebrate the small victories, like new growth or a well-executed pruning session. With time and care, your bonsai will become a beautiful and unique living work of art. Each tree tells a story, shaped by your hands and the passage of time. The intricate branches and delicate leaves are a reflection of your commitment. Remember, The most important ingredient in bonsai care is your dedication and love for these miniature wonders. Your passion and patience will be rewarded with a thriving, beautiful bonsai that brings joy and tranquility to your life.